Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer, but actually thinks, acts, and learns one step at a time. Sounds futuristic? Welcome to the world of the ReAct loop, a powerful workflow that's redefining how AI agents behave. So, what is the ReAct loop? ReAct stands for Reason plus Act. Instead of just responding, an AI agent reasons about its next move, takes action, observes the outcome, and loops back to improve, step by step, until it completes its task. It's like a cycle. Think, act, observe, repeat. First, think. Picture an AI brain springing to life, analyzing a task. Here, the AI considers all the information it has, reasoning through possibilities, planning its next move. No guessing, genuine thinking. Next, act. Now, the agent gets to work. It might make a web request, fetch data from an API, or run a tool. This is the action phase, where AI moves from planning to doing. Then, observe. After acting, the agent carefully checks the results. Did the search work? What did the data reveal? The AI stores these observations, so each step builds on the last. Now, repeat. The process isn't over. The AI loops back, using what it's learned to reason again, choose the next best action, observe results, and repeat until the goal is reached. It's a cycle powered by constant learning. Here's a simple example. Imagine asking an AI to find the best AI library. First, it plans where to search. Then, it browses the web. Next, it evaluates the results, reading reviews, checking ratings. Not satisfied? It refines the search and tries again, repeating this process until it lands the most reliable answer. Why is the ReAct loop so powerful? Because it allows for step-by-step reasoning. The agent can handle complex tasks by breaking them down, self-correct, and adapt if things don't go as planned. That means more reliable, flexible AI. But there are risks. Without good boundaries, the agent could get caught in an infinite loop, never finishing. If its input is faulty, its decisions might be wrong. That's why AI agents need clear limitations and human oversight. Let's recap. Think, act, observe, repeat. That's the ReAct loop, a simple yet revolutionary process behind smarter AI agents. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more explorations into the world of AI. The future is just getting started. This is just the beginning and more to come from NUAA-TECH videos. Thanks you and see you next videos for design patterns, reflection, tool use, etc. Until then, stay fit and healthy.